In Oregon, if you buy car insurance, which everybody has to because it's the law, if you're driving a car, you only have to buy $25,000 worth of coverage, which is not very much at all. But you can get away with buying just that much because that's all the law requires. So when you call up Geico or Progressive or one of the other cheap car insurance companies and say, give me the cheapest policy I can possibly get, like they're telling you on their TV ads, you're going to get $25,000 worth of coverage. That's coverage that you're buying for yourself if you hit somebody. It's also coverage if somebody hits you and they don't have enough insurance. So if you buy $25,000, somebody else that hits you has $25,000, Oregon law says you're not going to get anything from your insurance policy. You can add on hundreds of thousands of dollars of coverage that will cover you if somebody hits you and doesn't have enough for pennies a year. It's cheaper than health insurance. I've seen people buy supplemental policies that are expensive and pay $50, $60 a month. You don't have to do that with car insurance. It's cheap to get above that minimum level. So, I tell everybody this, and my friends and neighbors get sick of hearing me say it, but buy